Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you amazing blouse back neck design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, currently neckline can definitely make or break the look of our blouse. You can't underestimate the impact they have on the overall look of your entire outfit. There are so many necklines to select from for flattering different body type and style. Even though women believe that round neckline are most versatile, but in many options like boat neckline, U neckline, V neckline, etc. Friends, the blouse back neck design is your best bet if you are want to look more slim and attractive. Friends, blouse back neck design as they can complement almost all type of saree pretty easily. You must have seen your favorite celebrities look alluring and flawless in the latest blouse pattern. The interesting design about this blouse design is that it can suit any body type and can be paired easily with ethnic, minimalistic, or formal sarees. Friends, you can further customize and adjust the back neck design according to your style and preference. Friends, this kind of back neck design can flatter every body type if it is styled the right way. Here we are showing you some of the best tips and tricks that you can follow to make an incredibly fantastic blouse back neck design with saree. Friends, this kind of deep U-shaped cut on the backside of the blouse and cut on the front will enhance your back, making your look perfect for all kind of occasion. You can make this design with any kind of saree materials. To further add dimension to the look, you can go for added platter on the front side. Friends, running a lace along with the deep U-back will help in making the look more elegant and trend. Friends, I hope you guys all love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.